everyone. Welcome to 5 Minutes Belly Dance with me. Let's try to do some combinations to let you practice this. Alright, we're going to start by going around with the pelvis tuck. The first one, we're going to turn going to the left. We're going to do a circle around ourselves by going with the right leg at the back first. So it's going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Weight at the back. It's because you're going to change the leg and turn the circles now to the right, bringing the left leg back. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, this is focused on the tuck, so it's going to look like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. My weight is still at the back. Now I'm going to do the out with the shimmy. Alright, so I'm going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Change. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, it's basically on the spot. I'm just doing the motion. You can actually try to go front and back with this. It's up to you. Alright, you can go front and change front. But because of the space that I have, I'm doing it on the spot. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Weight in front so that I can change. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to do both. Alright, I'm going to do the turn again. Going to the left first because my right leg is at the back. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to bring the back leg front, going to the out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's see this once again without the shimmy. Okay, we're going to do the tuck first. So it's going to be the right leg back, turn to your left. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait here to change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait here. And then we're going to go right leg. 1 with the out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change. Now we're going to do both. Back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, and then go front again. Front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back. So the first circle is tuck first and then release. When you change, it becomes out and then in. Alright, I hope you get this. Alright, let's try this with the music. 5, 6, 7, tuck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Both. Tuck, out, tuck, out, tuck, out, tuck, out, out, tuck, out, tuck, out, tuck, out, tuck. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, press the subscribe and bell button. And see you again next time. Bye.